Hello YouTube, welcome to another episode of Anything Garage. Today out here in the garage we're going to attempt to get this stock harness and PCM turned into a standalone. Got the harness right down here. Got a printout here from LT1 forums with all the wiring, both sides. Figure out which one we need, which ones we don't need. We're gonna work on taking that out and see what we can't get done today. Alright, what we're gonna start off doing here is taking this blue cover and everything off of this blue plug for the ECM harness. Give her a little squeeze. Well, gonna have to get a pair of wire cutters. Got us a regular old utility knife here, a pair of flush cut cutters. I'm going to take this blue one and trim off the zip ties. Try not to nick any of the wires. And work on getting this plastic cover off. Should just be able to give her a little pinch. She should come right off. If not, get a little screwdriver, give her a little push and pry. Or you just break it clean off. That works too. Start with the blue one here. We're going to pull back to this leg right here. Pull all the insulation off. Make sure you don't nick no wires. Fresh blade helps. We got that freed up to a first leg. I'm going to pull these blue covers off. Just pry them off on either side. Best to use a little pick. Stick it in there. Push it, pull it up. Same on the other side. Blue cover comes off. Push in there and pull it up. On the back side here, flip you around here. You can see all them numbers. The camera would focus. There's numbers on there. 1 through 60. Corresponds with the blue tag. We get this. All the ones that are marked and that are white, this black lettering we leave alone. All the ones in yellow we can remove if necessary. The ones in blue go to sensors. External. So we start, first one we can pull is blue 7. Come over here. Find number 7. It's a gray wire. Paper says it's a gray wire. Pull it out. All the way back to our junction where we pulled the log out. Next one, blue 13, orange and black wire. Be careful pulling it out. You don't want to nick any other wire on the way out. Snake that all the way back to your junction. And then continue on. Alrighty, YouTube, we got the harness all depinned, got all the loom off. Next step is to go through, shorten, lengthen, and reroute all the wires. Spin you around here. Here's all the excess wiring we took off, along with like my welder cord sitting there, but we're gonna keep everything that's got a pin on it just in case. It's a total disaster right now trying to get everything all in there. But I got all the positives up, got that on there. Just getting ready to get her all pinned, see what goes where. That's going to be a wrap for this video. It's a nice day out, going to get the kids out to play. Let them have some fun. Next weekend we'll get right back on it. We'll try to get everything rerouted, wires shortened, wires lengthened, and get it to where it looks like an actual standalone harness. But right now, as long as I ran all the wires, I could run all the pink wires together, fired up, and we could fire it up the way it sits. Please like, subscribe, share, and next week we'll get on it again. Alright, everybody have a good day.